chapter number 1, accounting for not-for-profit organization. In this chapter, there is one topic, fund-based accounting. Now the question is, what is fund? What is fund-based accounting? How to solve the exercise on fund-based accounting? How to give the effect of different types of fund given in the exercise. Today in this session, we will learn the topic fund-based accounting. Before we begin, let us first understand what is fund. Fund. It means amount received or set aside by not-for-profit organizations for specific purpose. So when any not-for-profit organization has kept separate some amount for any specific purpose, say for example, distribution of prizes or for sports activities or for construction of building, or if it has received any donation for such purposes, then this amount is known as fund. Now what is fund-based accounting? Fund-based accounting means the accounting whereby receipts of donations and incomes relating to the funds are credited, that means added to that specific fund, and payments and expenses are debited to it. So fund-based accounting means any amount received, any amount of donation received for a specific purpose, separate fund is created for that. So for example, someone donated 1 crore rupees for the construction of building, then this is a specific fund. For that, separate building fund will be created. Now, if this amount is invested somewhere, say for example, building fund investment, somewhere it is invested, whatever amount of income is received from this investment is added to this building fund, is added to this specific fund. And all types of expenses and all types of payment made from this fund are debited to it. That means we minus from it. So when we talk about any specific fund, then we have to take first its opening balance. In that we have to add donations received for that particular purpose, for that particular fund. Any type of income from that fund is added to it. From that we minus different types of expenses and payment made from that fund. So that is fund-based accounting. Any expense like construction of building, purchase of material, which are related to the building fund, they are not recorded in income and expenditure account, but they are subtracted from the building fund, or we can say that particular specific fund. Any type of income from that fund is not recorded on income side, but it is added to that specific fund. Now the question is, where to record this fund? So different types of fund like building fund, prize fund, sports fund, they are recorded on the liability side of balance sheet. And on the liability side of balance sheet, we do all this working. Donations we add in it, income we add in it, expenses and payment we minus from it. If any type of fund is created and that amount is invested somewhere, so that investment we show on the asset side. Say for example, prize fund investment or building fund investment. So that will go on asset side and the fund will be shown on the liability side. Different types of funds are prize fund, sports fund, building fund, and there are many more. Now let us solve one exercise. Question is written here on board. Sports fund 20,000 rupees, sports fund investment 20,000 rupees, interest on sports fund investment rupees 2,000, donations received for sports fund 5,000 rupees, prizes distributed 4,000, and sports expenses 2,000. Now we will learn how to give effect of all these items. So as I told you, when we create any specific fund, that fund is recorded on the liability side. Any income and any donation received for that fund is added in the fund. Any expense and any payment is subtracted from that fund. It should be related to that particular fund. So here, this sports fund rupees 20,000 we will show on liability side. Sports fund investment will go on asset side. Interest on sports fund investment. Now this is interest on sports fund investment. That will not go on asset side, but it will be added to the fund. So we will add it in sports fund on liability side. Donations for sports fund, it will be also added in the sports fund. Prizes distributed and sports expenses, that we will minus from the sports fund. Remember, income from the specific type of fund investment, special purpose fund investment, is recorded in the fund, is added in the fund. It is not recorded on the income side. So let us see. First of all, sports fund. Here on liability side we will show sports fund. You can write in inner column 20,000 rupees. Then sports fund investment will go on asset side. Sports fund investment 20,000 rupees. Thereafter, interest received on sports fund investment 2,000. It will be added in the fund. So plus interest. The amount is 2,000. Donations received for sports fund 5,000. It will also be added in the fund. Plus donations. Rupees 5,000. So first, these three items will be added. Total of these three, 27,000. From that, these two items will be subtracted. Expenses and prices distributed. Less prices, 4,000. And expenses. These two will be subtracted. Rupees 2,000. So from 27,000, when you minus this 6,000, you will get 21,000. So in this way, specific fund is recorded. This is all about fund-based accounting. Now here one important point. Suppose this answer is coming in negative, in minus. Say for example, this amount is 27,000. And prices and expenses are suppose 30,000. Total of these two is 30 and this is 27. So answer will come minus 3,000. So that 3,000 will not be shown on the liability side, but that 3,000 is a deficit in fund and that will be shown on the expenditure side in the income and expenditure account. Now let us take one more exercise for practice purpose. See the exercise. Match fund is given 25,000 rupees. Sale of match tickets 6,000 rupees. Donation for match fund 5,000 and match expenses 40,000. Now, this is a match fund. It is a specific fund, so it will go on liability side. Any type of donation and any type of income for this fund will be added to it. And expenses we will minus from it. Now let us see the case. Match fund is 25,000 rupees. Sale of match tickets, this is one type of income, so it will be added in the fund. Donation for match fund, it is also one type of income, so it will be added. It is also received, added. Match expenses 40,000, that will be subtracted from this fund. These expenses are not shown on expenditure side because they are related with the specific fund. That's why we will minus from the fund. So it will be minus. So if we see here and if we make the basic calculation, then here only we can get the answer. 25 plus 6, 31, 31 plus 5, 36. So this 3 is 36,000. From that you have to minus 40,000. So answer is coming in minus 4,000. So it indicates that fund is only of rupees 25, 6, 31 and 36,000. Fund is only of 36,000, but expenses are 40,000. So 4,000 is the deficiency. Now the question is, where to show this deficiency? So as I told you earlier, any type of deficiency in a fund, in a specific fund, we record on the expenditure side. So this will be recorded on the expenditure side. You will write in this way: income and expenditure account for the year ending whatever may be the year. We will prepare income and expenditure account. And on expenditure side, this amount of deficiency will be shown like this way: deficiency of match fund, rupees 4,000. So this is all about fund-based accounting. You can practice more this type of exercise from the different types of reference book, and they are also given in your NCERT textbook. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.